Since the first part didn't really work out too well, I switched the camera around. I think he is jammed because he tries to move but he can't. See? Listen. He's making the noise. So it most likely means that his motor is stuck. He tries to move but he can't. Let's see. Because we're gonna have to take him apart then if we want him to work. Just gonna put these batteries in there. Yeah, he's really trying to move, but he can't. Let's see, remove the legs. Okay, first I thought he was still talking. See, got it. Some of these parts are wet, which I might ask the seller, why is the robot a little bit wet? Because I don't know what happened. The reason I decided to do a repair video is because I what's it called? Haven't done a repair video in a while, so yeah. Okay, got the lid. Oh god. Yeah. I have to clean a lot of this stuff off then. And I'm also still getting lots of messages. Alright. I'm going to clean off some of these parts off. Sorry you guys can't see me, but yeah. Oh well. Let's see, without his legs on. Wait, watch this. He will try and power on, but he can't. Hey, there he goes, there he goes. He's trying to go. I just wonder what's jamming him. There's something that's literally jamming it. I just don't know what it is. Oh wow. It fell into a little pocket of my jeans. Okay, let me... I guess he might need a new motor, I guess. The seller did tell me that he didn't have enough batteries to test it, but the first time we tested it, it worked. But then when we tried to do it again with some other batteries, it just wouldn't do nothing. So at first I thought like he must have tried like using dead batteries or somewhat. But who knows? God, these videos are so long. Okay, let me remove the front chest first. So I can see where we're at. Nope, your head stays in there, Buzz. Oh, whoa. That's completely different than I expected. He actually has a spinning wheel in there. Whoa. Here, let's see if I can get it. See, look at that. It's different. You see, there's a spinning wheel at the top instead. I thought it was like a built-in propeller. That's why there's a cable stuck. Well done. Huh. Yeah, how can I move this down? Will that work? He's trying to move, but seems like the thing I'm hoping is that his board isn't burned. Okay, since this video is a little bit too long, I'll do an update. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye.